This is a story which takes place long time ago at China. This is a story about a God's gifted child. He was very smart and very strong, very accurate and very brilliant. He loved archery. Within a young age, he learned archery and soon he mastered it. In those days, at China, people would perform archery shows just in a small crowd to earn money. So, when he grew up, he started performing archery shows. His famous trick was also there. First, he would take one arrow, aim at a target, shoot. People would burst into applause, and then he'll take two and shoot. Then he'll do the same with three arrows. Not even once he missed the target. Soon, people started crowding. After every target, they used to clap so loudly. He felt proud. And he used to do his final signature trick. He would blindfold himself, take three arrows, shoot it at the target. It would never miss. People often wondered, how did he do that? Soon, his name spread far and wide like rapid wildfire. One day, he was going to a place at China where the famous philosopher Confucius lived. He had a big beard and possessed great knowledge. So, he went to perform at the place where Confucius lived. People knew that he was coming as he soon became a famous celebrity. And before he could come, a crowd gathered. All the villagers gathered, including Confucius with his beard. He started petting his beard. And finally, the man arrived and started performing his trick. He was constantly observing Confucius. He never applauded nor appreciated. He did this first trick, second trick, third trick, and finally he said, now you see, I'll do my blindfold signature trick. He'll only burst into applause. And when he did it, he was surprised to see Confucius just ignoring. He went up to Confucius and said, what is this? Look at the crowd around me. Everybody supports me. And I feel damn good about it. I earn lots of money. Why are you not applauding? As if you can do this. And there was a sudden argument. Soon, the Confucius said, that's nothing, I don't applaud anything. It's just a matter of P. What P? Where P? And the man was so confused. And Confucius took him to his house. And there he showed two vessels. One had a narrow, long mouth and it had a broad tip, whereas the other was just a pure bowl. He then poured some water in it and started pouring it from one like a chaiwala. And to the man's surprise, the water went in precisely. And then the Confucius said, for me, your archery is just a matter of P. And for you, this chaiwala trick is just a matter of P. So P means practice. So friends, what did you learn from this story? I learned that practice makes progress, practice makes permanent, and practice makes perfect. Thank you.